I am Dr. Vikas Singh Bhadoria. In the previous two videos of the Google Classroom, we have learned about that how Google Classroom can be used to manage a class, and in the next video, we have learned about the posting assignment in the Google Classroom. Now, before proceeding further, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the latest video. So in today's video, we will discuss about how to create quiz assignment in the Google Classroom. So let us start. First, we will go to the class. So this was the test class which we have created in the last video. Now we will go to the classroom, then create, and then quiz assignment. Whenever we are moving towards the creation of the quiz assignment, so these are the few columns. This is the title of the quiz. So suppose this is quiz 1, instructions, attempt all questions. Now this will be for the subject, and if we want to select all students, then it will go to the all students, or if we want to select some students, then we can select one by one. Then this is that for how many marks, 10 marks. This one is the for the due date, that we are keeping due date for the upcoming date, then time, and then topic. If you want to write topic, then you can write topic any. Now we will move towards the creation of this quiz. So we will move to the blank quiz. Now at this point, this will be the title of the quiz. So quiz 1. Now this will be the question number 1. So I have written 3 questions here for the sample purpose. This is the question number 1. So this question number 1 will be pasted here. Then the options, we have selected all options and then paste those options. So these are the 4 options, and after this will automatically ask that whether it is a multiple choice question. So this will be a multiple choice question. If you want another option, then you can click this one. Now we have to give the answer. So for this question, answer is, we are selecting that this is answer is, its answer is C, and this will be for the 1 point. So now done. Now if you want to keep it mandatory, then do like this. Now this will be the mandatory question. Now there is a small trick. Now whenever you will click this point, now you will get the shuffle option order. If you will click this shuffle option order, then these options will be randomly shuffled at the student end. So click this shuffle option order and then add next question. So this next question, I am copying this question from here, then just paste it. Then after this, it's option. So options are pasted here. Now again the answer key, answer for this is all of these. So this will be the all of these, one, done, required, and shuffle option. Then another third question. copy, add question, paste question, copy the answers, paste those questions, so paste those answers, and then the answer key. So near the conductor, this is also for the 1 point, done, mandatory, and then shuffle option. Then one more setting which you need to do, go to the setting. If you want to collect email address also, then take on this collect email address. Then this you need to click, let that limit to one response only. Then if you want that the student can edit after the submit, then select this, otherwise no. Then then if you want to show the summary charts and text response, then click this. Then the presentation option, shows the progress bar to the students, and this is another main option, that shuffle question order. So this box will shuffle the question order whenever they will appear to the student classroom section. Then make this a quiz, then release the marks. If you want to release marks immediately, then you can select this question, or you can select this, that you can release the marks later on after the manual review. Then respondent can see, they can see missed question. If you want to show the correct answer at the instant, then you can select this or leave it, and then the point value. So now save this, save these settings. After this, you can assign this. You can assign this. So whenever you will assign, this is the quiz XYZ. Now let's move to the student section. So this is the student section. In this, you will be able to see that assignment. So this one, that posted a new assignment, quiz 1. Whenever you will click this, you will see the quiz 1. Now a Google form will open. In this, you see the post type insulators are generally used in lines operating. So this is the first question, and in our quiz, when we have created that assignment, in that quiz, this was the first question, and options were 100, 33 at any voltage, and none of these. Now in this, the options are changed, means the options are shuffled. Then the second question is the type of suspension insulators are. This is in the student section, and in this section, the type of suspension insulators are these. This is the sequence in the faculty classroom section, and in student classroom, these options are shuffled. Now whenever suppose the person is sub- submitting, that student is submitting the marks or the answers in this quiz, then first he will write his email ID, then any answer. Suppose this is the none of the answer for this is none of these. He has selected cemented type, same at all point. Now submit. So now he will not be able to see the marks in this. And in the in the faculty section, you will see that one student was assigned the quiz. He has attempted, and now you will see the marks. So if you want to see the marks, this was for the assignment 1, this is for the quiz 1, classwork, quiz 1, 1 we have shared with the 1, so handed in by 1. This is the record for that quiz. These are the instructions which were given, and we can see the summary of the marks in the marks section. So that's all for the this video. In this we have learned that how the quiz can be created in a Google Classroom. In the upcoming video, we will learn about the uploading a question paper and how to evaluate that question paper through Google Classroom. Thanks for watching and stay connected by subscribing this channel. Thank you.